Will Sweatcoin really pay you to walk, or is it just a complete waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this Sweatcoin review, I will give you an inside look of this app and show exactly how it works so you know what to expect and can easily decide if it will be worth your time or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to make some extra side cash online. So let's start by going over who can even join Sweatcoin. And you can join almost no matter the country you live in. The only thing you need is an Android phone or an iOS phone, so you can download it from the App Store or from the Google Play Store. And let me also reveal right away that Sweatcoin is actually legit. It will pay you to walk, but that does not necessarily mean it will be worth your time. You need to know exactly what to expect so you go into it with the right expectations, as it is not an app for everyone in my opinion. So I will now log into the app and then I will pull it up here on the screen next to me and show you around and explain more about exactly how it works. I am now inside Sweatcoin and you can see here the screen, and it just shows the total steps I have taken today. And so far I have not really taken too many steps today, but I can also scroll back here and you can see previous days. Here it was just above 5,000 steps and 4,000, 6,000, etc. And then you can also see right here how many coins you have earned that day, and you will get, as a standard member, I will get more to the other memberships later, you will get 1 Sweatcoin per 1,000 steps you take, but you can earn a maximum of 5 Sweatcoins per day by walking. Exactly how much these coins are then worth I will get into later. So that is the main way you can keep an eye on how much you earn on any particular day. But if you look down here also, you can click and then you can go to your wallet and you can see how much you have earned in total and your daily bonuses and things like that. So this is where you can see how much do you currently have in your account, and you can see it counts every day. So it is fairly easy. You just need to know that of course you can only make these 5 a day, so it does take some patience, but there is ways to earn more if you are interested in that. So I just jump back to the main screen here, and if you look over here on the side, there's something called info, and if you click that one, you get into another overview here, and over here then there is something where it says upgrade, and if you click here, you get the chance to upgrade your membership. And exactly how much it costs to upgrade is a little bit difficult to say because it varies a little bit depending on your currency, but you can pay in Sweatcoins. You do not need to actually pay cash to upgrade if you want. And by upgrading your membership, you will be allowed to earn more per day. So if you get one of the higher membership levels, you can earn up to 50 Sweatcoins per day just for walking. Of course, this is only worth it if you actually walk a lot or if you run a lot and all these things here. So you need to calculate a little bit before going into it and investing. But if you are very active and you have your phone with you when you are active, then it can potentially be worth it. There is one more way to boost your earnings, and up here in the corner you get a chance to boost your earnings for 20 minutes per day. So if you click this one, you get the chance to actually boost. Here you can see 20 minutes. The next 20 minutes when I click it, that will be when I will get the chance to earn double points. So if you're about to go out for a run or walk, anything like that, it can be worth just clicking this one. You can also earn extra Sweatcoin by inviting friends. You can click down here and then you can get a link that you can send to people and you can invite them, or you can also send them a messenger message or message on WhatsApp and Facebook, as you can see here, or share it on other platforms. You can see that all right here. If a person you invite joins, you will get 5 Sweatcoins into your account for inviting that person. It's not a lot, but if you have a lot of friends that are active and that would find this app interesting, then it can be a way to earn a little bit extra. I also have a link like that for Sweatcoin on my website. So if you feel like this video is helpful and you want to support me, you are more than welcome to join through my link. I will leave a link below this video so you can go to my website and find that link. But no matter what, it can be a way to earn a little bit extra if you know people that could potentially be interested in this app. So now to the big question about what you can do for these Sweatcoins. What can you use them for and how much are they worth? down here in the corner, you can go to the redeem section and see what you can get for your Sweatcoins. There are also some daily bonus options here, so you can get a chance to earn more than the 5 daily Sweatcoins by spinning. So it gives you a random number of points, but you need to first watch a small video advertisement. It takes like 30-60 seconds or so. So if you want to earn extra, you can also do it here. Other than that, this is where you find the rewards, and some of them are just offers in a way where you just get discounts. Here you can see this one would cost 800 Sweatcoins, but what it is that I would get 20% off this particular offer. So many of the ways it's not something where you directly get paid, but offers where you get discounts. But there are a lot of different ones. You can see this one is only 25, but you then also have to pay to get something, so it's again more of a discount. But there are several different options here and free subscriptions, trials and things like this, but always make sure to read the conditions exactly so you know what to expect, and if there are any free trials then maybe it will continue into a paid membership and all that. You need to make sure to look into that so you know exactly what you get. There are also crowdfunding where you can donate to charity. This is a great way to use your Sweatcoins in my opinion. You can see the different ones here. I also want to make it clear that the exact offers will change from day to day because it depends what offers they have there. So it is definitely not sure that you will have the exact same offers, but this is just a general idea about what you can expect to earn. Sometimes you can also get PayPal rewards, but that is mostly if you invite a lot of people, you can get your earnings out that way. But it is not always, and right now it is not available in here. And then you get to the marathon offers where you need more Sweatcoins to get the rewards, and they are of course also bigger. In this case, for example, you can see you need 8,000 Sweatcoins, so that is quite a lot and would take you quite a long time, but it is also quite a big reward. So if we just click here, there will be a small video, I'll just stop it there, that explains it. And you can see it's actually worth almost 1,000 euros, this particular one here. So it's also quite significant. There are other rewards like that. There is a GoPro camera or there's a Samsung TV. So there are some really nice ones. And then there are these trips here, for example, to go see the Northern Lights or dine at the Eiffel Tower. These trips though, you can see they are first of all quite expensive. It will take a lot of walking or a lot of extra little tasks you do here to earn enough for that. But if I just jump in here and then I'll show you something here, because you need to make sure you know exactly what that means. Most of these trips you are required to document your trips, and you will get cameras from Sweatcoins, but it is meant to be something you need to record and they can use it for promotional purposes. So it is not just a trip without any strings attached, so you need to be aware of that. But some of these other great rewards, there are no conditions like that, but still make sure to actually read the conditions. So that was a quick inside look of Sweatcoin, so you can see exactly how it works. It is legit. You can earn by walking, you can do some other small tasks, you can invite friends, and you can upgrade to earn extra. But it definitely does take patience. So is it then worth it? I would say it is not worth it for all. If you are very active, then you can earn a bit extra just by having your phone with you. It doesn't require a lot of effort. It is almost like passive earnings because you just have your phone with you, which you probably have with you anyways. But it does take quite a lot of patience to earn. So if you do it just for the earnings, I would say it's not worth it. But if you're very active, you can earn a bit extra at the same time, and you can potentially get some great rewards if you are quite patient, or you can donate to charity. But if your goal is mainly to earn through apps, then this is not the most effective app for sure. Then there are many apps that are better options. But if you want to know more information about Sweatcoin, or if you want to join through my invitation link, or if you want a list of other apps where you can earn a little bit more actively and where you can potentially earn a lot faster, then I have all that information on my website, paidfromservice.com. I will leave a link below this video, so make sure to check that out. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to earn some extra side cash online.